Come take a look at this new 2012 Chevrolet Silverado 2500 HD. For your protection, this vehicle has a full factory warranty. This Silverado 2500 HD boasts a 6.6-liter engine and has a 6-speed automatic transmission. Another great feature is that this vehicle uses diesel. Additional options for this vehicle include the GVWR 10,000 pounds, 4536 kilograms, mirrors, outside heated power adjustable vertical camper manual folding and extension, black, emissions, federal requirements, rear axle, 3.73 ratio, engine, Duramax 6.6L turbo diesel, B20 diesel compatible, skid plate package, frame mounted shields, interior plus package, convenience package, wheels, 20 inches, 50.8 centimeters, forged polished aluminum, LPO, bed rail protectors, rear vision camera, trailering wiring provisions, for camper, fifth wheel and gooseneck trailer, LPO, front and rear molded splash guards, LPO, assist steps, chrome tubular, 6. Oval and the trailering equipment, heavy duty. Call 877-542-2424 or email our friendly sales staff today to schedule a test drive.